Good morning, student. As you know that our exercise 1.4 is going on. Today we will start from question number 2. Okay. So question number 2 is verify that A is divided by B plus C does not equals to A divided by B plus A divided by C. Okay. So we have given left hand side and right hand side, and it's saying these both sides are not equals to each other if we will place these values. Understood? So how to solve this question? First we will note down our left hand side. Okay. So I am going to write here from LHS. Okay. So LHS is A is divided by B plus C. Okay. So now we will put the values of A, B and C, and then we will calculate. A's value is given 12. Now the sign of division. Okay. Use bracket. These values is minus 4. We will use here bigger one bracket because minus is here. Minus 4 and C's value is given 2. Then plus 2. Understood? Now 12 is divided by, now I am going to solve this. You can see minus 4 plus 2. Minus 4 plus 2. Different signs are here. Then we are going to do subtraction. Okay. So minus 4 plus 2 will become 2. But whose sign will place? Because minus has larger number, then we will place here negative sign. So it will be minus 2. Now you can divide 12 upon minus 2. 2 6 are 12. Now you can see our value is minus 6 from LHS. Now I am going to solve here RHS also. Okay. So now what is RHS? From RHS. Now again RHS is A is divided by B plus A is divided by C. Now place the values of A, B and C in this calculator, then we will calculate. Okay. So A's value is 12. Place bracket. Divided by B means, now here should be bigger one bracket. Minus 4. Okay. Plus A is 12 and divided by 2. Okay. So can I write it in this way? Minus 4. Okay. So division can be written in this form. Numerator and denominator. Okay. So plus 12 upon 2. Now 4 ones are 4. 4 threes are 12. Don't leave this minus sign. Okay. So it will become minus 3. 2 ones are 2. 2 6 are 12. It will become 6. Again minus plus. We are going to do subtraction, but which sign will be placed? Now subtract 6 minus 3 plus 6, it will become 3. But here is, you can see that plus has greater number. Plus has greater than. So there is no need to place plus sign. So we have find our answer. LHS is minus 6, RHS is plus 3. So minus 6 is equals to plus 3? No, it is not. Then we can say that, I don't know, but I am writing here, okay. It might be possible that you cannot see below this line. So I have marked this line already here, okay. So I am writing here LHS does not equals to RHS, which we have to prove. LHS does not equal to RHS. It's you can see that you can compare this one formula to your distributive property. It shows that multiplication of integers follows distributive property, but division of integer does not follow distributive property. We learn that. A cross B plus C equals to A cross B plus A cross C. This is distributive property. Okay. This is for multiplication. But here is the sign of division. That's why we can generalize that multiplication of integers follows distributive property, but the division of integer doesn't follow distributive property. Okay, let's do B part of this question. Okay, now coming to the B part of question number 2. Same, we have to prove LHS does not equals to RHS, but the values are different. Okay, so again we will substitute these values in our LHS as well as RHS, then we will compare. Okay, so place the values. Now from LHS, okay, A is divided by B plus C. Again place the value of A, that is minus 10 is divided by B plus C. B's value is 1 and C is also 1. Understood? Now minus 10 is divided by 1 and 1, 2. Now we are going to divide it, minus 10 upon 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10. It will become minus 5. This is our LHS. Understood? Now I am going to solve RHS. I am going to solve RHS from RHS. Okay? So RHS is A is divided by B plus A is divided by C. Now place the values of A, B, C in given equation. Okay, so A is divided by B means minus 10 is divided by 1 plus minus 10 is divided by 1. Okay, minus 10 upon 1 plus minus will, okay, I am placing it in a bracket. Again minus 10 divided by 1. Okay, now if we will divide any number by 1, our quotient always be that one number. Okay, so we will get minus 10 here. Alright, now again minus 10 here. Now minus 10 plus minus will become minus 10. Now add up because similar signs are here. So we will do addition. It will become 20. But weightage is, here we will place minus sign. Then clearly you can see that LHS equals to minus 5. While RHS equals to minus 20. Again it proves LHS does not equals to RHS, and which is clearly given that we have to verify the LHS does not equals to RHS. Got it? Let's move towards next one. Okay, now coming to the part question number 3, which is filling the blanks. Okay, I am doing here A, B, E and S. There are 4 parts. Question number 3 having 4 parts. I am going to do 4 parts of out of 8, and rest 1 part you will be do. Okay, you will do as a homework. Then we will discuss the same questions during online session. Understood? So here is given filling the blanks. First is 369 is divided by which number, that we will get 369. In which condition we will get our quotient the same number? In which condition? Obviously, if I will divide it by 1, then there is no change in our quotient. There is no change in our quotient. So, if we will divide any number with 1, quotient always be that one number. Understood? You can see here 369 is divided by 369. Then 369 ones are 369. Then cross. This is our quotient. Understood? So, now coming to the B part. Here is written minus 75 divided by which number, the answer or the quotient will be minus 1. Here should be minus. Okay. So, we need a number which will give us quotient minus 1. Obviously, if we will divide 75 with 75, then we will get 1. But here you have to very careful. Our answer should be negative. Our question should be negative. So there is a condition. So if I will divide it with 75, so our answer will be -1 because minus is already here. Okay, let's suppose here is the answer +1. Let's suppose. Then in that condition we have to place here minus sign. In that condition we have to place here minus sign. Then minus will be cancelled by minus. Then our answer will be positive. Okay. Now coming to this E part, here is written divided by 1. The quotient would be 87. Divided by 1, we have to need same quotient. We have to need quotient. So obviously if I will write here 87 and 87 will divided by 1, the quotient always be 87. Okay. Now coming to the H part, here is written 4. Okay. Here is written 4. You have to place a number here. It means what should be your dividend? What should be your dividend? This is divisor. This is your quotient. Do you know about of this? For example, 12 is divided by 2. This is your divisor. This is your divisor. This is your dividend. Okay. This is your dividend. This is your quotient. This is your quotient. And if there is anything in it is called remainder. Okay. So this is your remainder. Okay. Dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder. Understood? Remainder, sorry, not reminder, remainder. Okay. So here answer should be, your quotient should be -3. Okay. Here is no minus sign. Then definitely the dividend or the number which I am going to write here, there should be minus sign. We have to use before that one number. Understood? So now 3 fourths table. 3 times. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. If I will place here 12 and to -12, if we will divide -12 with 4, then our quotient will be -3. Got it? Now we have done 4 parts here. Remaining parts you are going to do on your own. Okay? Let's move towards next one question. Okay, now I am writing here question number 4, which is write 5 pairs of integers AB such that A is divided by B, answer should be -3. Okay, one such pair is 6, -2 because 6 is divided by -2 equals to -3. Okay. So what is question? Write 5 pairs of integers AB such that A is divided by B equals to -3. One such pair is 6, -2 because 6 is divided by -2 equals to -3. Okay, the question is saying one pair is given to you. As an example, one pair is given to you that if you will divide 6 by -2, your answer will be -3, surely. Okay, so you have to find out such 5 pairs. You have to find out such 5 pairs. So if you are finding difficulty to set the pair of integers, then you can start with whole numbers. Okay, you can start with whole numbers. First, we will sort out. We will select the pairs of whole numbers whose quotient will be -3. First, I am going to select those pairs of whole numbers. Okay, so let's see. One is given to you. Okay, suppose if you will divide 6 by 2, your answer will be 3. Okay, 2 3s are 6. Now next pair. Now I am coming to, if I will write here 3. Okay, if I will write here 4, if I will write here 5, if I will write here 6, how many pairs are there? 1 2 3 4. I am writing one more. And if I will write here 7. Okay, So 3 3s are 9. If I will write here 9 as a numerator, 3 as a denominator, answer will be 3. Okay. So if denominator is 4, definitely numerator would be 12. 4 3s are 12. 5 3s are 15. 6 3s are 18. 7 3s are 21. Easy? Easy. These are the pair of whole numbers. These are the pair of whole numbers. Okay. And whose quotient is 3. But condition is answer or quotient should be negative. Then easy. Now I am writing these pairs. I am writing these pairs. Okay. May I rub upper one part? Because you will be not able to see below this line. Okay. So I am just rubbing this one part. Okay. You can note down question, either you can see question from book. Okay, so now we have selected already these pairs. Now our first pair is already given to us, that is 6 comma minus 2. Okay, now our next one pair will be 9 comma minus 3. Either you can place a negative sign before numerator or denominator. It totally depends on you. Okay, here I have placed a negative sign before denominator, but now in next group I am just placing that negative sign before numerator. It doesn't matter. Understood? It doesn't matter, because every situation your answer will be negative, which we want. Okay, now next one pair will be minus 12 comma 4. Next 15 comma minus 5. Next minus 18 comma 6. Okay, comma 21 comma minus 7. Okay, so now we have selected 5 pairs of integers whose quotient is minus 3. If you will divide those pairs, then answer always be minus 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There is no need to count this one. I have written, but there is no need to count this one because this pair already mentioned in your book. Understood? So I hope you will be understand the exercise. One more thing, beta. I am taking maths in 7th A, B and C in 3 sections. What I observed, the maximum homework is done by 7th B. There are, I think, 35 to 36 students in that one section, and you don't believe that. Especially I am talking about of section A and section C. Okay, you don't believe that maximum number, more than 30 students are sending their homework regularly. Definitely, it's a commendable. Their job is commendable. Okay, first thing. Second thing, the most of students of 7th Bs are watching videos regularly, because what I observed during online session, when I conduct any question, that question solving, which I am just sharing a worksheet to the students. I am just giving question to students to solve out. Okay, so 7th Bs always shows their curiosity. They are doing their solution very enthusiastically. It means they are watching videos. Most of the students know that about properties. They are doing questions very fastly. So it's a reward for a teacher. Being a teacher, it's a reward, because students are responding. Whatever teacher is asking related to questions, related to exercise, they are able to solve. ठीक है, यही टीचर का रिवॉर्ड है कि टीचर जो पढ़ाए बच्चा उसको ग्रास्प करे, बच्चा उसको सीखे. बट इफ यू आर नॉट वाचिंग वीडियोस, that is all in vain. Okay, so we are putting efforts making our videos. These videos for your benefits. ओके, ये हमारे लिए नहीं है. ठीक है, तो अगर आप जितना वीडियो देखोगे, ऑब्वियसली है आप सीखोगे क्या चीज़ कैसे एक्सप्लेन की गई है, इतनी सारी प्रॉपर्टीज एक्सप्लेन की गई है. इफ यू विल नॉट गो थ्रू द वीडियोस, डेफिनेटली यू आर नॉट लर्निंग एनीथिंग. ओके, बिकॉज यू नो दैट ड्यूरिंग ऑनलाइन सेशन teachers are not solving questions at board many times, because Zoom session for sort out your problems. Zoom session is for to sort out your queries, your problems, in which areas you are finding problems. So obviously if you will watch videos, then you will be find that कि every questions or whatever teacher is teaching हर चीज समझ में एकदम नहीं आ सकती है, लेकिन अगर आप जब देखोगे और आप उस चीज़ को मार्क करोगे, अंडरलाइन करोगे कि फॉर एग्जांपल मैंने ये क्वेश्चन बताया, आपको इसमें से अगर मैंने 5 लाइंस बताई, 5 में से 4 तो समझ में आई, लेकिन 5th वन लाइन कहीं मिस हो रही है कि यू आर नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट वन कैलकुलेशन, देन यू कैन मार्क दैट वन कैलकुलेशन, यू कैन पुट योर क्वेश्चन ड्यूरिंग ऑनलाइन सेशन, मैम आई कुड नॉट अंडरस्टैंड दैट वन पार्ट, प्लीज एक्सप्लेन इट अगेन। ओके, तो फिर मैम को भी पता चलेगा कि आप देख रहे हैं, आप सीख रहे हैं। ओके, सो आई होप कि आप वीडियो वॉच करेंगे और अपना काम टाइम पे सबमिट करेंगे। ओके, दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे, मीट यू इन Zoom 9 सेशन।